on sale. Let's go to Dashcam.
If you want to upgrade the sound, the look, the safety of your ride, don't just shop online. Come experience the newest automotive technology in Car Toys' amazing demo rooms. Plus, get installation by Car Toys experts. If you buy online from anyone else, who's going to install it?
Not me. I'm not messing with the electronics in my car.
Well, that's why shopping at your nearest Car Toy store is always
A better way to go.
Get your car detailed by Car Toys experts. Classic interior or exterior detail, $99. Save $40.
When the going get hungry, the hungry get Wendy's. Especially with $1.99 kids meals after 4 p.m. You get dinner, your kid gets dinner for just $1.99. It's a win-win.
And participating Wendy's for a limited time.
So the question on your mind might be, is it time for me to refinance my home loan? Well, I am not the guy to answer that question. Hey, it's Nerf for our friends and clients, American Financing, Colorado's home for home loans, the official mortgage company of KTCL, and they are the people that you should be asking that question to, because they're salary-based mortgage consultants that answer the phone. You can talk to them. They get financial information from you about your situation. They can construct a loan, can tell you if your loan is competitive. They can do all sorts of stuff. And as far as reasons to do a refi, saving money month to month is a great one, and they can do that $500 to $1,000 a month. But